Verse 18, read your version.
But now, as things really are, God has placed and arranged the parts in the body, each one of them just as He willed and saw fit with the best balance of
Now
function.
you see this? God put this diverse gift situation in his body the way, what does that say?
He
Just as
will
he willed it.
and saw fit with the best balance of function
Look at that.
so that it works to the best possible way.
Yeah, and God did that.
Yeah.
So, God is the one that put these various diverse gifts in his one new man.
Mm-hmm.
He did it. He did it through his grace. Remember, Paul said in Ephesians 4 that captivity was led captive
Mm-hmm.
and gifts were given to men. This verse certainly says down here that it was arranged just as God willed it. So once again, whatever your gift is, and everybody's got one, stay in your lane with it. If you're a mouth, don't try to do what an eye does. If you're an eye, don't do what the foot does.
Mm-hmm.
What the eye does, God made it that way. What the foot does, God made it that way. And Paul is mapping this into the way the physical body is set up. So now, verse 19.
If they all were a single organ, where would the rest of the body be? But now, as things really are,
Verse 20.
there are many parts, different limbs and organs, but a single body.
Verse 21.
The eye cannot say to the hand, I have no need of you, nor again the head to the feet, I have no need of you.
Stop. Okay. This is a mandate for the body of Christ. We need everybody. I cannot say to my brother in California, I don't need you. Can't say to my sister in England, I don't need you. I can't say to that brother in South Korea, I don't need you. So the flip to that would be what?
I need you.
Yeah. We need each other.
I need you to be what God has placed you in the body to be.
Don't be variating from what the Lord has graced you to be in his body, because we need it. This verse says that I cannot say to the hand, I have no need of you. So our mind should be set in proclaiming daily, I need you, my brother and sister.